Mohanpur subdivision division khobja Lephunga adi block division khobja kaisa rungnog English medium school tini annual day khaijaka rung nokhlawa manjakaro titi disini em Ronald Deburma manjakaro mantri Bishigata Deburma manjakaro block president Deepak Deburma YTF ingai adong manjaka tai school ni principal tai school ni rungnok committee ni adong bo manjaka
Honorable Minister, Commerce and Industry Government of Tripura, Sri Ronald Deburma, Honorable Minister, PTADC, PWD and Rural Development, Sri Reverend Akai Putham Lamke, Executive Director, and his co-members, the Mission Board Department, all the distinguished guests, SMC Committee, and all my beloved parents, teachers, and students. I take this privilege to welcome, to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all of you. This is the day that the Lord has made for all of us to glorify His name and to enjoy and to praise His name. Today, I am fully delighted to see our distinguished guests. With their visiting, I hope parents, community, as well as the students will be encouraged. Today, as we choose the theme that my culture is my identity, we are trying our best to develop these themes into the heart of the students. So, all the activities program will be focusing on today's theme, as we have many other live activities programs also. Therefore, to make our parents more relevant, let me use Cockroach so that our parents will also able to communicate with us. Ini school ni sama ni 24 years foundation kay outgoing class 12 students, 83 students uka taklay CBSE ni disingtui porikhat klainai borok no tumpiamir klayo borok ni bisingong ka 83 Johnny Bisingong ka 28 if I'm not mistaken 28 uka arts of the law oinoro uka science of the money okay 45 going John Tomo okay 31 uka sula money borok data uka tapno unfortunately we don't have board exam final bagai borok tikilia tamke school primary uka proyekta criteria primary te borok luyuka borok practical exam borok success unglia abni bagai borok loy uka narakam ke 83 Johnny Bisingong 2025 BCD CBSE class 12 exam tonight class 12 uka 81 students
স্বাদে ভরা ঘিয়ের সুবাস লংতরায়
কি ভালো খেতে
শুদ্ধ ঘিয়ের আবেশ ভরা লংতরায়
অপূর্ব সুগন্ধ
পুষ্টি ভরা ঘিয়ের খাবার, গাওয়া ঘি প্রিয় সবার, লংতরায়।
একেই বলে বিশুদ্ধ ঘি।
বিশুদ্ধ ঘি নাম মনে রেখো লংতরাই।
লংতরাই ঘি রোজ খাবারে তোমাকে চাই।
লংতরাই
লংতরাই লংতরাই